nakakita na ba kayo ng Chanel Grand Shopping Tote or also known as GST na alam niyo binili lang tapos tinago ng mahabang panahon tapos ngayon naisipang ibenta?
Peach on the counter, sun on the tile, juice on your fingers, you laugh, I smile. You say it's too ripe, I say it's just right. We bite at the same time, sweet and sea light. Car windows open, hair in your face, bag full of roadside fruit, heat in the place. Pit in the cup holder, me on the seat. You lean over at a red light, kiss me then eat. You taste like summer peach, sticky hands and
So, ito si ating Chanel Grand Shopping Tote. Tingnan nyo, it's in silver hardware, beige color. Grabe, sobrang sturdy, sobrang structure. Hindi ko alam kung anong history ng bag. Pero, talagang makikita mo na hindi naman nagamit, di ba? Tapos yung card nandito, may box, may dust bag. If you're interested in this, pwede namin ibenta sa inyo. Pero, yung price talaga is medyo on the premium side. It's a discontinued model, pero ikaw yung unang gagamit.